Hi guys, it's Lee from Supercharged Food, and today I would love to show you how to make my gut health immune boosting smoothie. It's one that I have on the reg. It's a really good one and super simple to make. You can have all the ingredients just sitting in your freezer, and it's very, very easy to pull together. The reason that I call it my gut health immune boosting smoothie is that 70 to 80% of your immune tissue is actually located right here in your gut. So it makes sense right now to be boosting your gut health and really looking after those communities of good bacteria in the gut and the immune cells that reside in there, because they both talk to each other. So that is really, when you think about it, your gut is actually your gateway to your immune system. So this is the key to staying healthy and strong. I really hope that you enjoy this smoothie. It's one of my favorites. So here we go, let's make it. Good morning. Today I am going to be making my favorite immune boosting smoothie. It's got so many veggies in it and fruit. I'm adding some protein powder into it. I've got a little bit of water in there already. I've got some collagen and my immunity beautiful golden gut blend, which has got turmeric in it as well. There's a bit of ginger in there already and a tiny bit of kefir. And that's it. Give it a whisk.